Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today it's gonna be a little different because we are actually on vacation with Brandon and his family in Sanibel, Captiva, Florida. So nice. And I'm in our condo right now. I thought we were getting like a hotel room, but no, his mama is better than that, I guess. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. There's stuff on the countertops, but it's ours and we're about to put it away. Gorgeous, gorgeous open kitchen. And it came with washer and dryer. I mean, goddamn. Nice fridge, of course. And here is like a little casual living room area. Super simple. That's a really nice painting. And got a TV. Food Network is on. Hello. It's super like so open. It's unbelievable. Couches. Got the big old mirrors. What's up? I look like crap right now because we just drove about 4 hours to get here. Super nice couches. Hey bae, say what's up to the fam. What's up? Dining table, bar stools. And then out here is a beautiful, hopefully I can open the door this time. I was having a problem last time. It's locked. Okay, there we go. Bruh. Tell me this is not so peaceful. Like, what is even like right now? This balcony is like so long too. So big and spacious. Yes, baby. So you come back in. And so we're splitting this room with Brandon's grandma. So that's her bathroom and her bedroom there. That's just, I think, like a linen closet or something. And then this is our part. Master suite. Closets for days. Yes, baby. First, we have the awesome bathroom. Hey, it's me again. Super nice shower. Like, so awesome. It's got rainforest vibes to it, I feel. So nice. Double sinks. Nice big mirror. Selfie mirror. And then you come back out here. But like, look at the bed. Look like, is that not so aesthetically pleasing? With the shadow and everything? Oh my gosh. Big bed. This is the door that leads out to the balcony we were just at. And then this right here is another balcony. Just like a mini one. Right outside of our door. Beautiful view again. It's all screened in too. Y'all want me to jump on the bed? I'm gonna jump on the bed. I didn't actually mean jump on the bed, but like dive into the bed. You know what I'm saying? I did it for the Instagram fam. Now I'm gonna do it for y'all. Let's go. That's the tour of our condo. His parents and grandparents are sharing another one. So this is for us and it's so gorgeous. Like, I'm so thankful. Unbelievable. And I'm out of breath. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom and finish doing my makeup. Maybe something with my hair. I didn't think I would have like a room this big. Otherwise I would have like brought my straightener. Probably brought my cat. Like, damn. It's so nice, but I'm gonna put my face together and do something with this hair. Probably order takeout or cook something. I just found out that this island, since this island's so small, I Googled it, there were like only a handful of restaurants and there's no like main, like chain places besides Starbucks. I did see that. But when we got here, they gave us like a itinerary. And it had like a whole page filled with different restaurants. And I saw the word vegan and I'm like, I'll show you guys real quick. So this is the vegan restaurant that they have on the island. Look at all these options. Organic, vegan, and gluten-free. All of those smoothies and juices up top. Breakfast all day. Sandwiches, salads, lunch and dinner. You see those spring rolls? Don't look at my nails. They are ratchet, bruh. Spring rolls. They have chana masala Where is it? Right there. Chana masala Indian lentil. Oh my gosh. You know, Indian food is my weakness. Curry, pho, like desserts. Ooh, do I want to use a glowy? It's all fucking broken. Now it's really broken. Fuck. I'm not the best at makeup. Fuck it though. I mean, this will work. And my hair. Damn, I should have brought a flat iron with me, but ready to drink. Outfit of the day. Last minute. These shorts are super stretchy and I'm sorry about the echo. Fuck. I'm about to eat and drink, so this is gonna come in handy. And then this is just kind of like an airy, flowy top. And underneath I just have a sports bra because I could not find my bathing suit top at home, so FML. I brought a top that is too small for me. And then hair's up in a bun, got a little face going on.
A few moments later.
I could dig it. The first of many drinks this vacation. Look how cute the restaurant is. Put in little notes on there. All right, I got you guys set up on like a little paper crate box thing. Hopefully that helps. I don't know. And hopefully you could hear me because this is a loud room and there's a TV going on in the back. All right, so I got spring rolls and veggie panini. Guys, this is the cutest thing ever. First of all, that's my hand. Look how big these spring rolls are. And I was not expecting it to be like tropical like that with fruits and stuff. And this is like a soy sesame sauce. So good. And then the panini looks amazing. Just grilled veggies. Avocado, oh my God, avocado. And those look like corn chips or tortilla. Strawberry and pickle on the side. Okay, I flipped the box over. So now you guys are a little higher, but my head's cut out a little bit. It's okay though. So we're gonna try the spring roll first. Ooh, that is soy sauce, all right. Oh, and they have the strawberries like stuck to it. Oh, what is that sauce? I don't know what that is, but that tastes good. All right, first bite. Pretty sure there's hummus in there. You like it? I like the hummus in it, or whatever that is. I didn't know these were gonna be so big. One is definitely enough, but don't worry, I'll finish this one too. Oh, I think there's vegan bacon in here. I taste the saltiness of the, I think it's like coconut bacon. Alright, moving on to the panini. But first, this little pickle. Oh my, yo, there's vegan cheese on here. Yo. I was not expecting all of that.
I got avocado and stuff on the shop.
Ooh, can you show them your burger? He got a basic, like a classic burger. It looks like there's beets in the patty because it's like a reddish pink. Oh yeah. Vegan
Avocado,
cheese,
lettuce.
bean sprouts. Oh shit. I will just ding to that. That is so good.
How's your beef though?
This is definitely like a black bean patty. It's like mushy, but not like gross mushy. Good. Don't fall. I'm so happy this vegan place is here on the island because when I checked last night, I could not find anything. Like, I could barely even find a salad anywhere. So awesome. The paper towels are holding the camera up, so can't really grab any. The burps are coming, my friends, don't worry. Hi, new subscribers, by the way. I see you. Maybe that's better, but I thought it was coming. You won't really be able to see the bottom or like my food unless I hold it up. So I guess I'll hold it up. Oh, that's a big mushroom. Mama don't really do mushrooms, but so many other things on this that I probably won't taste it, hopefully. Thanks. Can I have the middle part?
Yep.
Thank you. Need a napkin? Hopefully y'all having a good day. Vacation started today. Super excited about that. I don't know if we're doing too much tonight. When they get back, we'll see. Might go down in the pool. After this, I'm gonna look like I'm 9 months pregnant, but whatevs. The bacon makes all the difference. Big bite. Be right back. These burps need to come through. Yo, this looks so good. Spring roll number 2. Like, this is just so beautiful. And I think the orange sauce is like orange flavor. I don't know, I can't really tell. And these are like so fancy. There we go. The beach is literally right outside of the hotel or the condos. It's like the building, you go out, you step outside, and it is a gigantic pool on one side, hot tub on the other, and then right after that is the beach. And the water is so nice. We haven't been on the beach yet, but from going over the bridge, like, it looks crystal clear. I love visiting new places. Awesome. Freaking huge. You can tell by the lighting that the sun is gonna start setting soon. It's like the sun goes all the way up to its peak and then starts to set right after that. Oh my gosh, there's so much juice falling out of this. Like, oh my god. Wow. Like Scarface or somebody just sitting at this big ass table by myself. Fuck. Alright. I'm gonna need to move on real quick. Whew, definitely getting full. I have about a third of the spring roll left. And almost half of the half of panini. Excuse me. Definitely gonna be ordering from them before we go. We're staying here for 3 nights. So like early Christmas morning, we're gonna head back. So it just definitely reminds me of like Christmas with the Cranks when they want to go on like a tropical vacation. It's kind of like what we're doing, but we're not really skipping Christmas. Although it does not feel Christmassy at all. It hasn't for the past few years. So I brought like a bunch of snacks and dinner because I thought we weren't gonna have options here. So I got 2 boxes of garlic and olive oil couscous and then a pack of the Gardein Mandarin chicken. So good. Can of green beans, can of corn, and then some snacks. So who knows, might have that later. Might be too drunk and or tired later. Oh, this is so sloppy. I'm just a mess right now. This is good. And it's definitely gonna hold me over until whenever dinner is. I don't even know what time it is. We are on island time, man. Oh. I literally have like 1 bite of the spring roll left. Can't even pick it up properly. That's 1 bite.
Play games and then we play games, but we're finished with this game today.
Smell something burning, it's just the toaster.
So we saw these at the store when we were shopping for munchies for vacation. And it turns out that they're vegan. Wafer Nutter Butter. I have not had a Nutter Butter.
You could do
I have not had a Nutter Butter and I don't know how long. So we're gonna do a taste test on live cam. right?
Nutter butter wafer too.
Nutter butter wafer. Okay, this is Brandon's sister Sarah. We're gonna do a taste test. Cheers.
Yo, you know what it reminds me of? What's that? Like comes into like a wrapper and it's like chocolate around it.
I feel like I know what you're talking about because it tastes familiar, but.
Peanut butter is gooey.
Mm-hmm.
Like real peanut butter. It's like if they just put
You
it.
know what I'm talking
And it
about?
comes
Your
in-
Your father loves them.
Like solid
The long
bricks
ones?
like that you break apart. So good. You like it, Sarah? Uh-huh. You like it? Oh, it's gonna come to me. You said there's chocolate on the outside?
They're like, I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, it's chocolate. It's like it's got 2 bars that are long.
What?
Taste test. These are bomb AF. AF.
You like it?
Say goodnight, guys.
Alright.
We're gonna eat this and then go to bed soon. Vacation day 2. Let's go. Good night.